Hello my students of class 8. Welcome to our YouTube channel Classroom. I am your Ankita ma'am. Today I will discuss the first chapter of your syllabus, that is transportation in plant. In this chapter I will discuss what are the parts of conducting system and how they work. That means how they transport water from root and food from leaf. As we all know, plant need carbon dioxide from atmosphere, water and minerals from soil which they collect from the root, and sunlight from sun. They collect all those materials and prepare food. You all know the process how they make food. This process is called photosynthesis. They make food on their leaf and transport them all over the body so that all the parts of the body can get the food. Plant absorb water and minerals through root and transport them all over the body. On the other hand, leaf produce food through photosynthesis and transport them throughout the body. So, they must have a conducting system. This conducting system have two parts. One is called xylem, another is called phloem. Now we discuss the parts of the xylem and phloem in details. So what are the components of xylem? There are four components of xylem. First is trachea, second is vessel, it is also called trachea. The third one is xylem parenchyma and the fourth one is fiber. Now we discuss the structure of the xylem parts in detail. So we discuss the first part of xylem, which is trachea. Trachea are the elongated dead cell with tapering end. Their walls have thickening of different type. You can see on the picture there are black dots. These black dots are called pits. There are two types of pits. One is simple pit, another is bordered pits. Trachea help in upward conduction of water and provide mechanical support. Next comes to the vessel. Vessels are tube-like structures placed one above another. Their both ends are open. In xylem vessels, there are different types of thickenings which are also called pits. They support mechanically and they transport water and minerals and salt laterally and vertically upward. Next comes to the parenchyma, which is called xylem parenchyma. These are only living parts of xylem. They help in conduction of water and minerals and serve for storage of food. Xylem fibers are sclerenchymatous fiber. They are long, narrow and tapering at both ends. They provide mechanical support. Now we will discuss the parts of phloem. Xylem are the conducting system for water through which water are transported from root to the all over parts of the body, mainly in upward direction. Phloem have four parts: sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma and phloem fibers. Phloem fibers are not clearly visible in the picture, so they are not pointed out in the diagram. Now I will discuss about the components of phloem cell. The first component, as you seen in the picture, is sieve tube. Sieve tubes formed of sieve cells, they are the main component of phloem. They are cylindrical cells arranged in a vertical row and joined end to end. Their end walls are perforated by pores and they are called sieve plates. Through these sieve plates, food material passes from cell to cell. Here is a picture of microscopic view of the sieve plate. You can see the pores through which food material passes. Now comes to the companion cell. Companion cell are associated with sieve tubes. These are elongated, thin-walled parenchymatous cell. The adjacent companion cell help sieve tubes in the conduction of food. After companion cell, now comes phloem parenchyma. They are the thin-walled, unspecialized parenchymatous cell. They also store food. The function of parenchyma is storage of food. So, phloem parenchyma also helps in the storage of food. Now, phloem fibers. The last part of phloem, they are the date part of phloem, and they are composed of date sclerenchyma fibers. They are elongated cell and they also store food. They helps in storage of food. Thanks for watching, and if you like our channel, please subscribe.